You see, many young people are dying, especially male, 21 year, 22 year, just after marriage, 6 months. Why this is happening? And you eat pizza and burger, चाउमीन. जब जंक सामान तुम घर में नहीं रखते तो पेट में क्यों रखते हो यार? जागो मोहन प्यारे, जागो. This video is very important. Rotate it to as much as people you can, because many of them are suffering today, dying of heart attack. Today I will give you a formula. Practice it and you will live as a phantom for your entire life. Law of sweating. Please follow it. Please practice it. Jai Hind, friends. Jago. Medicine. This topic will take some time because India at present time is the market for International Medical Association. Raju Dixit started speaking on it and he was eliminated. I tell you the benefit of sweating. Today I will give you a formula. Practice it and you will live as a phantom for your entire life. You see today, what is the term? Medicine. Patient. Medicine comes from meditation and patient comes from patience. When the body loses the patience, any body part, it loses its rhythm. Pancreas, it loses its rhythm. Throughout the day you are filling your tummy, throughout the day, every 1 hour. Veg patty, chicken patty, fish tikka. Today these outlets, they have turned people foodies. Very good. To eat good things is very good. There is nothing bad. But when you fill up your tank, then drive the car. Your tank is of 20 liter. You filled up 100 liter. What these pancreas will do? They'll become surprised, amazed. Yare baap. From where the recovery of insulin will come? Your tongue wants to enjoy. Your mind wants haramkhori. Eat as much as you want. But next part is very important. Sweating. Ancient India, the term Ayurveda, Aushadhi. What is a Veda? Vedas are not written by human being, God. Aushadhi, not medicine, Aushadhi. The law of sweating. This video is very important. Rotate it to as much as people you can, because many of them are suffering today, dying of heart attack. People are taking medicines for enhancement of sex power, which is poison. People are taking medicine for enhancement of sex power, which is poison. You see, many young people are dying, especially male. Rarity of rare, you will hear a young woman has died of heart attack, male. 21 year, 22 year, just after marriage, 6 months. Why this is happening? 21 year. And then the autopsy report says there was no blockage, nothing. You know why? Steroids. Steroids. These sex medicines are basically steroids. You took the food, 60% will come out as excreta. 40% will remain in your body. Out of this 40%, 30% is still a waste. Still a waste. And this will create uric acid. This will create cholesterol. This will create sugar. And they are the basics of all the disease. Uric acid, cholesterol, sugar. You'll go to the doctor. You'll have pain in your joints. You will feel dizziness. You'll feel pain in your chest. You'll go to the doctor. Doctor will write the test. And then he will say LDL, HDL. Sugar is HB1C, 7.1. Medicine. 95% will say medicine. And once you depended on medicine, over. I don't say if you are going through the medicine, then don't leave without the consultation of the doctor. Apart from allopathic doctor, connect yourself with some Ayurvedic doctor. Connect doctor. Without doctor, don't do anything. Again, I will repeat. Without guru, doctor, don't do anything. You are suffering from high level diabetes. You are taking allopathic medicine, very good. You are taking insulin, very good. You connect yourself with some yogic guru and doctor. Move under his guidance for 6 months. Then change yourself. Don't listen to YouTube. Please. Everything should be done under the guidance of a doctor and a guru. You have to be under the guidance of a doctor, whether an allopathic doctor or an Ayurvedic doctor. But you have to be under the monitoring of a doctor. Don't take any decision by yourself. But if you do the exercise, gym, cycling, why don't you buy the cycle, all of you? When this 30% will come out from your sweat, heat will generate in your body. And this heat, you have heard, na? Gold is purified in the heat. This is for body. When the heat is generated in the body because of exercise, the waste comes out. And that food which is there in the body turns it into sperm. Sperm. Which these idiots promise to increase by outside medicine. They will never be able to increase. Never. Never. They are steroids. This is the natural way. Exercise. Sir, sayings. सोना बनने के लिए तपाना पड़ता है. So if you want to be gold, what is wrong in doing sweating? If you are having a coaching 10 kilometers from your house, buy a cycle. No need to go to gym. Maintenance 100 rupees per month, 200 rupees per month. The money of petrol you use in juice, fruits. The girl will be impressed by your bike, but the girl will live with you because of your strength. The boy will be impressed by your money, but the boy will live with you because of your strength. Lord Shiva, Har Har Mahadev. Why we say? He has no Mercedes, no Range Rover, but he can afford at any time. If he can call Kuber to construct a palace of gold, he can call the owner of Range Rover. Bye-bye. I want Range Rover top model. He'll come running. You know why? Power. God means power. Anyone who has power. You see, when people go to meet powerful people, what they say? Bhagwan, aap hamare liye Bhagwan hai. Law of sweating. Please follow it. Please practice it. Young people, you young people, sweating once in a day. You have to go for it. And you know, your extra energy will go out. Your concentration level will increase. You know, I am taking optional class. 4 a.m. from 7 a.m. in the morning. 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. Ask them. After Gayatri Peeth of Haridwar, I am the second person in this country. Possibly. I am the second person in this country to take the class 4 a.m. in the morning to 7 a.m. 100% attendance. Girls. One of my student from Haryana, Richa, her father was a very good post in army. He personally called me. He said, I don't know what to say in the words to say thanks to you. 4 a.m. optional. Next batch is going to start. And now this will never end. 4 a.m. in the morning to 7 a.m. Music, dance, studying. These are the three things. From second paper, the next batch is going to start in the month of March. 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. Even if 2 people will be there, I will not change the time. Change yourself. See? You are the promise of this country. Future of this country. Follow it. And when urbanization increased, 2nd century BC, 6th century BC, Mauryan period, post-Maurya, urbanization is increasing. Urbanization is increasing means stress is increasing. You see today India, stress level is increasing. But in Afghanistan, so as stress level is increasing, diseases are also increasing. Necessity. That is why every religion says कि bread should be of sweating. पसीने की रोटी खानी चाहिए, पसीने की. Because that turns gold into your body. You become powerful from inside. And physical power is the foundation of mental and psychological power. Swami Karamveer. He is a young man of 76 years. 40 kilometers per day running, not jogging, running. There is a Ganga canal in front of his ashram. And the flow of the water speed is 50 km per hour. He dives into it. Without any precaution, he dives. He crosses the canal. He comes back. He gets up at 3 a.m. in the morning. You meet him, some of you young people. Whenever you get the time, just type Swami Karamveer Ashram in Haridwar. Go and meet with him. You will forget all these Bollywood and Hollywood actors. He's so much smart man, shining face, shining in a red dress, maroon dress. Swami Karamveer. You will feel ashamed. Just stay in his ashram for 2 days with him. See his lifestyle, food style, working style. Why don't you follow all these people? These Western idiots, capitalists, they have done a propaganda against our saints and all. And you become unnecessary rationalist. Indian Babas are doggies. In a bundle of 500 rupee note, if 3 are fake, you will burn all the bundle. Wherever there is original, there is fake also. You will never find a fake note of 150 rupees. Swami Karamveer, Swami Algalanand Mirzapur, Sadguru, Pandit Ravi Shankar. They are the living prophets on this earth called, on this area on this earth called Bharat. Take advantage of these people. There are a number of them. I don't know the name of all of them, but there are a number of them. Find any one of them. Go to their ashram, irrespective of your religion, because they don't have any religion. Go to them. They don't ask your money. Best part. You get benefit, donate something. Why Western people were dying for Indian spices? Medicine. 4 months they were in their houses. Entire Europe is covered with snow. What was the food to eat? High protein, meat. That will increase the sugar. No physical activity, eating good food. So, cinnamon. Cinnamon was the spice from India which was exported only in return for gold, because cinnamon today also is a good medicine for BP and sugar. And you eat pizza and burger, चाउमीन. जब जंक सामान तुम घर में नहीं रखते तो पेट में क्यों रखते हो यार? When you don't keep junk foods in your house, junk products. When you don't keep junk products in your house, why you keep junk food in your stomach? And make a commitment in your life. Good food means good exercise. Finish. Write it in your diary. Eat everything. But if you have taken high protein, go to the gym for 2 hours. Sweating. So that should turn into a gold. Not only IAS, you will qualify anything. And a day will come when you will come to meet me personally and say thanks to me. Evolve yourself, transform yourself, change yourself.